Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today in this video I wanted to share my reactions about the Laravel stream project. So Taylor had tweeted about something coming up uh, in terms of a package which will allow us to build chat UI kind of interfaces. And if you have been following my channel, you would know that I have been building a chat UI myself. So this is the project that I'm talking about. I'll show you quickly. This is where I'm trying to build a chat UI very similar to Chat GPT, where I have conversations, and inside conversations, I can do that chit chat. I can select models and stuff. I wanted this so that I don't have to pay $20 to ChatGPT, because I can get some OpenAI credits and use that. And moreover, I wanted to build it, so I have been toying around with that. And I know that when you are streaming a response from an LLM, there's a lot of code required for this. You have to work with server sent events, and I have videos on that explaining what server sent events are, and how you want to tap into that, then how you want to handle that in your React application. So if you see, right, this is the chat area.tsx, where I have a lot of code around managing the stream of event which is coming. There are a lot of rendering, re-rendering, everything is happening out there. And although I would say that now I understand things, but it is a lot of code. And what this package does is it gives you a very simple API to work with. It is as simple as this. So in this video, I will show you what it means to work with that instead of something which is so large, right? So let's quickly get an understanding. Again, this is not a thorough review. I am just sharing my thoughts on how easy it is to practically get started. Okay. Now, if I do send message in this UI, which is a part of the starter kit, if I hit the button, you will see it generates a message. Okay. And what is happening behind the scenes? Well, I can't show my env, but yes, over here I have one API where I can basically call the API, and this is a streamed response. And you can see I have said, tell me a story not more than 200 words. And this is the output. Once upon a time in a quiet village, there was a little girl named Lily who loved stargazing. Okay, whatever it is, right? So this is being streamed. If you haven't seen that already, again, I will click that, and you can see it is coming as a stream of text, not one shot. So that's the beauty. And how do we do that? Well, this is the backend. I create a response stream. I'm using Prism to interact with the LLM, the OpenAI LLM. Okay, I'm using GPT 4.1 Nano 250440. This is the version. This is my prompt. I'm saying it's going to be a stream, and then for each yield the response text. Okay, and these headers are required. On the front end, I have just this. Okay, I have data, which is the data coming from the backend. I have is fetching, is streaming. These are some statuses which the package provides as part of this context. And you will see over here that if it is saying that is fetching, then it does a connecting. And then if it is streaming, then it says it is generating. And I even have a console log when the stream has finished. So if I want to do some behavior after the stream has changed, I do have that capability of doing it. So yeah, this is how this is working. And I was actually trying to play around with the fact that if I do this user question, okay, then I will do request. Oops. uh, Request input This is message, right? If I'm not wrong. Yes. So if this is the case, if I'm not wrong, if I put something like what is the capital of France, send message. Yeah. So it is giving me the responses, so I can ask any question. For example, tell me a story about a lion. It should not be more than 500 words. Now if I hit send message, you will see it starts generating that thing, and everything is handled over here in this package, the streaming and everything. And this is what I like, because now I have a very simplified way of handling things, right? And the console log is also coming up. Yes, you can see the stream finished. So if I, for some reason, instead of console, do alert, and about a tiger, maybe send message, clears things up, and lush green, there lived a magnificent tiger named Raja. Okay, and you can see the alert is now coming. And this is what I was saying is out of the box with that package. So yeah, if you know what server sent events are, if you know how to work with them, I think this package will help you, manage your code better. But if you're not aware of it, I would say first go through that process of learning it, so that you understand how SSE works, what are the nitty-gritties of handling things, so that you get a sense, and then you can definitely go for the package, because once you know the core concepts, the package is only going to make your experience much better. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share in this video, guys. I hope this package is something that you find useful, and this video as well. If you find this video useful, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.